The 2009 American Samoa quarter is part of the United States Mint's America the Beautiful series. This series, which began in 2010, replaced the 50-state quarters program, focusing instead on national parks and historic sites. However, the 2009 quarter series was issued as a transitional phase, featuring 6 designs commemorating the U.S. territories, including American Samoa. The American Samoa quarter is the last of the 6 quarters issued in 2009, which also included quarters for the District of Columbia, Puerto Rico, Guam, the U.S. Virgin Islands, and Northern Mariana Islands. The series highlights the unique heritage and cultural aspects of these territories. The quarter was authorized by the Omnibus Public Land Management Act of 2009. Each design within the 2009 series was chosen to celebrate and honor the unique history and contributions of each U.S. territory. Obverse. The obverse of the 2009 American Samoa State Quarter shows the standard Washington Quarter design with a few alterations. The Washington Quarter, that ran from 1932 to 1998, had the date on the obverse as well as the word liberty. This design was changed slightly with the introduction of the state quarters and later the territory quarters and national park quarters. The new design still shows Washington looking left, however the obverse text now reads United States of America, Liberty. In God We Trust, quarter dollar. Reverse. The reverse of this coin depicts a large drum-like item, palm trees near a sandy shore, and stick items. This design is somewhat disjointed like the other, but the proximity to the other items makes the design slightly more appealing. This was the 4th coin released in the statehood quarters program. The reverse text of the coin reads American Samoa, Samoa Mua Mua Leatua, e pluribus unum -2009. All of the territory quarters were clad, meaning that they were 75 to 80% copper and the rest was composed of nickel. The core of the coins were solid copper. These coins, however, were produced in silver for special silver-proof sets. The coins minted and included District of Columbia, Puerto Rico, Guam, American Samoa, U.S. Virgin Islands, and Northern Mariana Islands. While the 2009 American Samoa quarter is not known for having significant varieties or errors, collectors should be aware of a few general error types that can affect this and other quarters. Double die errors. Look for any doubled features which could indicate a double die error. This is when a die used to strike the coins has doubled images. Die cracks. Cracks in the die can sometimes appear on the coin, creating noticeable lines or breaks in the design. Off-center strikes. Coins struck off-center can be valuable to collectors. Planchette errors. Errors in the coin's metal planchette can cause unusual shapes or features on the coin. Value and collectability. The value of the 2009 American Samoa quarter depends on several factors. Condition. Coins in higher grades like uncirculated or proof condition will generally be worth more. Demand. Collectors' interest can affect the coin's value. Errors and varieties. If the coin has any errors or unique features, it might be worth more. Typical values. Circulated. Generally worth face value 25 cents or slightly more. Uncirculated. Can range from $1 to $5 depending on the quality and demand. Proof versions? Proof versions are often worth more, ranging from $5 to $10. Collecting tips. Grading. To determine the value, coins should be graded based on their condition. The grading scale ranges from poor P1 to mint state MS70. Storage. Proper storage is essential for maintaining the condition of the coin. Use protective holders or slabs to prevent damage. Research. Stay updated with collector forums and price guides to track changes in the market value. Authentication. Ensure that the coin is authentic, especially if purchased from secondary markets. The 2009 American Samoa quarter is a notable piece in the transition period of the America the Beautiful series. While not the rarest or most valuable coin, it holds a special place in the hearts of collectors due to its unique design and representation of American Samoa. Its value is influenced by its condition, demand, and any potential errors or unique features. This quarter offers a glimpse into the natural beauty and heritage of American Samoa, making it a meaningful addition to any collection focused on U.S. coins. As of the latest information available in August 2024, the value of the 2009 American Samoa quarter varies depending on its condition. Circulated condition. Typically worth around 25 cents to 50 cents. Uncirculated condition. Can range from $1 to $3 depending on the quality of the coin. Proof versions? Proof coins can range from $5 to $10 based on their quality and demand.